Patay ka na!
Kamayaman na ako.
Are you singing? Oh?
I want to see.
I'm being right now. Rafael.
Mabaho, fix ko.
Nag-tripan mo ako, Rafael, ha?
Kick him again, kick him again.
No.
Yes. Go and punch him.
Alam ko, wala din.
Give him a hug.
Kiss him on the cheek.
Kiss him, my friend.
Wala.
Ay, wala na.
May amo.
Kiss him on the cheek. He will let you have it.
Well, hug him.
Tell him you love him.
Say, tell him you love him.
Lumalakas na yun ah.
Ay, Lamig, wait.
No.
Gila na yung Rafael, oh.
Please. Pretty please.
Let me just finish the mission.
Say pretty please. With cherry on the top.
Say, I love you, Chrismo. Say it again.
Sorry, smooth.
Say, I love you, Chrismo. Chris, what?
Yung ulo.
That guy very
Yes. I'm gonna turn it off now. You know what? I'm gonna start.
punch his bum.
What's police shorts?
He punch his belly.
Rafael, tickle him. Wait, no.
Raphael, be careful the baby.
Raphael, come here, please. I want
Minsan pabigyan mo na.
Bigyan mo na.
Pabigyan mo. Ibigay mo na.
Ikaw na.
Di ba?
Ikaw na.
Ang tanda-tanda mo na nga eh.
You play in a minute.
Ikaw na.
Bigay mo na. Yan.
Wait lang, ikaw na nga tong ginugulpe.
Natapos ko na nga yung mission.
Di ba ang mga taong ginugulpe,
Oh,
bigay ang ano,
JC, give it na.
Oh, take it then.
Pretty please.
Say pretty please. Say I love you, Charisma.
She's her first.
Go say I love you, Charisma.
Say I love you,
Yeah, I'm not
Charisma.
gonna give it.
Go say I love you, Charisma.
JC, bigay mo na.
Ay!
Say I
no!
Insan? Ano ba yan? Bata lang yun. Ano ba?
Oh, you pass that on. Oh, ba, alam niya maglaro ah.
Ayan, wala na.
Oo nga, JC.
Alam mo ba? I don't want.
Ganun na.
Gay boy! Gay boy? I'm not gay. I'm just expressing my feelings, you know. My opinion towards
She's
my
just attached
point
to
of
his feminine side.
Well, you got a male side.
Ano?
So what if he has?
So what?
Every
So what? Coconut.
Every woman's got a male side and every
Every man's got a female side.
Yeah.
Tama na yan.